And we woke up to about 8 inches of snow in Lubbock today. It's beautiful. It's not too often we get to do this in West Texas, but we're gonna go take the boards out and see if we can have a little snowboard day. We're on our way. I don't know if y'all have met Ben. It's my boy Ben.
What's up?
It's my snowboard Ben. My snowboard bro. If y'all live in a city where it snows all the time, y'all know this isn't anything. But for Lubbock, this is pretty significant. It's a lot of fun. Lubbock's gonna be in the news tonight because there's always like 700 wrecks every single time that a snowflake drops.
Last time we were on the news was when there was literally a dusting and there were like 1,500 wrecks in less than an hour.
Yeah,
and that's how long it lasts. Yeah.
Had to stop and get some fuel. Been loaded up on fruits, vegetables. All right, we're pulling up to where we're going. This is the place we always come. It's not the biggest hill or the best hill, but nobody's ever out here. And there's some logs and stuff that we can use as jibs. All right.
We made it. Game time.
Yeah, I'll hop all the way down, and that should give us what we need. At least runway. If we were on a mountain, you could go through that pow because you can, keep your back feet up. Woo! Hey! Decent speed. Think we get it packed? It's gonna be pretty good.
Oh yeah, we snowboard. We don't get to do this very often.
Man, that real bad storm a few years ago, the tractor piled up the snow right here, probably 6 feet tall. And so we built a little cave and we rode every day for like a week.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it was too cool.
We're fixing to go clean out the hospital.
Oh, good, man. Well, hey, I appreciate your hard work, brother.
All right, thank you.
Be safe.
Be safe.
Hey, look who showed up. We got Blister. Shows up after all the work's done.
Hey, good timing.
So we've been here for about 45 minutes.
Oh well.
We got this little, got a tiny little runway started, but it goes all the way down to that log. It's probably about 40 yards down. We got it packed hard.
Yeah, they get so dark.
Whew. If y'all made it this far, you saw all that work we were doing. I know you're expecting to see some like high tier riding. I want y'all to know beforehand that we're not good at all.
It's Lubbock.
We're not. We were born in West Texas. Like, well, Ben wasn't, but he's been here his whole life. Like, we're not good snowboarders. Just FYI. Ben looks like he's a good snowboarder. Look at this.
Down there might be good enough to slide off though.
What's all those new muscles you got? What muscles you got? We found a cool log. It's gonna be our jib. It's pretty small. Ben's just not very strong.
Alright. Watch your step right there.
Yeah, I was like, there's no way we moved that much.
Yeah, we've been out here for about, let's say 2 hours. And we got our run all set. We got a little jib and way down at the bottom. We got a little log set up for another little jib. So Ben's gonna take the very first run of the day.
What up?
Okay, Ben, you hop, and then I'm gonna double hop, and I'm gonna follow you. Ready?
Ready?
Yep. Yeah, first run. Check it out, day 2. It's a little bit better today since it froze overnight. Junior's gonna take the first run. Whenever you're ready, bro.